Okay folks, in this lecture I'm going to quickly show you how to copy only cells that are shown or visible. Now sometimes in Microsoft Excel we have spreadsheets where we have hidden rows or columns and you want to select some cells, which would include selecting over what's hidden, but you only want the visible ones to copy over. So how do we do this? Well, I've got an example here. Now we've got the numbers 1, 2, 5 and 6. But if you look closely, we've got some hidden rows which contain the numbers 3 and 4. Now, ordinarily, if I selected this range of numbers, right-clicked, and then went to copy, and then pasted back, Excel would include the hidden numbers from those hidden rows. So we've got 3 and 4 here. Now that's great, and in a lot of scenarios this is handy. But if we want only the visible cells to copy and paste over, how do we do that? Well, what I'm going to do is just quickly press escape to clear those zigzag lines. And then what you need to do is basically select all your numbers. And then in the home part of the ribbon, go to this section here, find and select. Click here, go to special. Now, what this does, folks, is it basically enables you to select specific parts or attributes of your spreadsheet. And because we've already made our selection, whatever we select here will be within the selection we've made. So the option we're looking for is basically this one, visible cells only. So we're basically telling Excel, within our selection range, only select the visible cells. Now, if I press OK, there, you can see that these lines have appeared here, which basically denotes that we haven't selected those hidden cells. So what Excel's basically done is discounted those hidden cells because they're not visible. Now, if we right click and go copy, and then if I go here, right click and go paste, you can see that only the visible cells have been pasted. And if you look here, folks, you can see that our zigzag line is here as well, in the middle. And this basically is telling us that Excel selected two portions of the cells, 1 and 2 and 5 and 6, and didn't select 3 and 4. Hence, our zigzag lines end in the middle. And just to show you what I mean by that, if I press escape, and then just select the numbers again, go to copy, and what I'll do, I'll just paste them here, just so that you can see what I mean. Right. So I've just pasted them again, but you can see that we have no middle zigzag line here because Excel basically selected everything. So that was just to show you subtly how you can visually see that Excel has only selected the visible cells when we did it just before this example we did here. Okay, so that concludes the lecture, folks. It was a real quick one. It was just to show you how we can copy only cells that are shown. Now, if there are any questions or queries, please feel free to reach out and I will see you in the next lecture.